It's a 2018 Audi Q3. Style and substance are the key components of this Q3, so no matter where you run off to, you have the perfect vehicle. It comes with great features you love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, and Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist. Kelley Blue Book finds in addition to the image boost an Audi immediately grants, you'll be treated to a refined ride quality, sophisticated design, and premium amenities. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.